Lenny, say hi. Say hi to everyone. Lenny, you coming in for a huggy? Oh, Lenny. Sweet Lenny, my buddy. We're going to get you a lady friend, bud, aren't we? Hey, Geechee. Oh, no, don't bite the doggy. Don't bite the doggy. Lenny, oh, buddy.
Turkey and duck mating season here.
You're so funny. I love you, buddy. I love you, too. We can't be together like that. We can't be together like that, can we? I know. I love you too. Okay. Lenny. Poor buddy. We're going to get Lenny a female friend because I just realized that geese can live up to 30 years and Lenny's only like 3.
So and Speckled Pango is a female.
I love this goose so much. She's like the greatest. I haven't seen anyone in days. This is wonderful.
Speckled Pango is a female, I think.
We're just hanging out with all the birds. Let's see if I can get Eyjafallajökull to jump on my... We're just about to do chores. I have some grain in my pocket because I ride with grain in my pocket. You know, that's what we do. So I have this rooster and his name is Eyjafallajökull. And I'm going to try to get him to do his trick. Eyjafallajökull! Eyjafallajökull! I don't know if he's going to do it. We just put down some chicken stuff. It was bedding from some of the indoor chickens. Hey, bud, come here. Here he goes. There's my bud. This is my rooster, Eyjafallajökull. He's named after an Icelandic volcano. And I taught him that trick. Hi, bud. Looking good today, aren't you? Look how pretty he is. You're so beautiful, aren't you? You're my buddy, aren't you?
He's a really good flyer.
Here, will you reach into my pocket and get some grain out for him? Oh, he got it. Good buddy. Usually I trained him with bready. He likes breadies, which is just a term for bread that I use. Yeah. All right, that's enough. Lenny's here to supervise. Where are you, Lenny? Directly behind me. Here, that's an easier shot, isn't it? Oh, Lenny. All right, so this was just a fun little hello to some of my animals. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Say bye. Boop. Who's that? Who's that pretty boy?
All these buff girls.